My pathetic little carpet. What's missing in this picture? All right, so before and after, pretty amazing. It's about 500 bucks for all this stuff. Grill, table, 2 chairs, carpet. Really thrilled. I think it kind of completes the outdoor of the Travato. Again, we're supposed to live out of the van, not in the van, and in warmer climates like this, this is what I want to do. So thanks for tuning in today. Really appreciate that. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. The channel's growing like crazy. Got a goal to hit 10,000 folks by the end of the year. Really appreciate you tuning in, and until we meet again, I wish you to journey on. More video content coming up here at the RV SuperShow, January 2019. Have all kinds of great interviews.